How to get free McDonald's $100 gift card. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. For this, you have to go ahead and open up any of the browser that you prefer on your mobile device or in your PC. The process is same. Now once you are in your browser, in the search bar you have to go ahead and search for coupon follow and give it a search. Select the first option, that is coupon follow. Coupon follow deals with various of brands and it provides some of the promo codes and offers. Tap on the search icon to search for your McDonald's. Then select the selection. You can enter email address to never miss out any of the coupon from McDonald's. Now in here you'll find various of coupon. You have to select the coupon that you prefer. If it says no coupon required, just tap on continue to this offer. If there was a coupon, make sure to copy it. Now you'll be redirected to the official webpage of McDonald's. We have our promo code, but how shall we use it? It is very simple. You can open up your McDonald's application or continue this process from the browser itself. So first step, you have to purchase meal items from your McDonald's. Now once you are done selecting the quantity and meal item, when you are checking out, you will see a dialog box of gift card or promo code. You simply have to select the option of add a promo code and just paste the code that you just copied. Or chances are it is already applied. You will see substantial discount in your grand total if the coupon is applicable. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.